What's that on your t-shirt? Oh, it's like, what? It looks like somebody got a black marker pen and stabbed themselves in the eyeballs a couple of times. You alright? Did you just twat your head on my head?
Who even likes to wear that shirt?
1982 England home shirt, you wanker! When we had the best football squad ever, I don't care what you think. England all the way. I was born in Montreal and Skegness. Sharp!
I thought he was born in Wales.
No one likes Wales, especially me. Hello. Oh wait, no. Welsh Dragon. Which one's the Welsh one? Is that one or that one? This one. Nobody likes Wales. Nobody likes you. Everybody hates me, and I'm quite happy for it to be that way. Do you know why?
I don't hate you.
What do you mean?
I don't hate you.
What do you mean?
I don't hate you.
Everybody hates me. Stop being nice to me.
You what, mate?
Stop being nice to what is it? Nobody's supposed to like me. You're supposed to hate me.
Everyone likes it.
And now you know why I'm such a despicable bastard. Love me, people.
I love you.
Get off my bake.
No.
Watch out, Kitty wants to eat ya.
I will still eat you in a burger, you red panda. You are again. I will eat you in a burger, you red panda. And I'll use what's left to make a bleeding pizza.
You what, mate?
I didn't ask you, did I? Leave my head alone. I will end you. I will push you in the road when there's a steamroller coming.
I go to London for me.
Jesus Christ, nothing stops us.
I'm mainly coming because my friend Bonnie wrote she's got.
No, she's mental, that's it. She's lost the marbles.
Where's the gun?
Yeah, totally. Are you taking the piss? There we go, 2 goals.
So, question.
Oh God, it's that one. I mean, hi, how you doing?
Of course.
I like your mask. Very professional.
Yes.
Tinfoil.
I know. How do you know that's not? How do you know this is not tinfoil?
Oh, what is it then? It's a what?
It's not tinfoil. It's aluminium foil. It's not even aluminium foil. What is it? It's wrapping paper.
It's Bakelite.
It's shiny wrapping paper.
Fair dues.
It's not mine.
Which is actually better than tinfoil because it doesn't break or rip off.
Yeah.
Most likely, I'm terrible at social.
Tickle behind the ear. Alright.
You work for like... Oh wait, no, you're the guy against camera trees.
Yes.
I thought for a moment you were like the police trying to find me again.
I'm trying to find you again. What for?
Look, I told you, I didn't hit that bloke with a chair. It don't matter. It was a photo. It was fake. And he called Leicester City shit.
Fair dues.
No! Bad! Silence! Bad! I'm telling you with my bad hand!
Your attention, please!
Can you leave your touches big again?
Oh, attention. If you have left your coats and bags anywhere in the bar other than the storage area, please put it in the storage area.
I like drink!
No.
Ow! Ow! Who's the owl? Oh my God! Mom! Where have you been? Why did you leave me, Mom? Why did you leave me for this bag? Why would you do that? Oh wait, that's not my mom. Oh, that's just my
Look, you asshole! Come back here!
Hi, I came back.
Bastard!
Hi.
Do what you're told and stop coming out my mouth.
Okay.
Choose the unsaid phrases.
You get a thumbs up. You can't have two, this hand's broken. But you have this one. Can I want to break it open and eat its brains. Can you help me with that?
Would you kindly remove your tape from my legs?
Well, we know octopi, creepers are pretty stupid, but...
Octopi.
I'll say it how I want to say it! It's octopi! I want some calamari.
That's squid, isn't it?
Look, There's a road there, and when the car comes, you're going to be in it if you're not careful, mate.
Alright.
Mine now, bugger off. That person, I can see, oh, he's got a hat on. I want the hat. I want the hat.
Go for it.
I can't see genders. I don't see genders, I see people. I have an equal right opportunity, see? It's a person, not he or his she. I treat everybody equally, because I hate everybody equally. I'm from Montreal and Skegness, for your knowledge, mate.
Oh,
Shut up, bird brain.
how about that, eh?
I'm sorry, how long do you want to live for? Genuine question, how many years? Days. You know how many you've got at the moment?
Probably 0.
Just about enough to see how much I'm going to
I've
make.
had 7 cats all at once.
Stalker.
Oh, okay. Hello.
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 More. Well, I started on that.
So how did you break your hand again, sorry?
Oh yeah, I haven't told you about man. I was walking along, right, as you do, or hard man, and I was attacked by ninjas, armed with bricks and signposts. And I fought them all off. One of them managed to trap my hand in between the train and the wall. Then the train exploded, killing a load of orphans. But I survived just with a broken hand. That's how I broke my hand. Definitely wasn't attacked by a granny when I tried to steal a wallet or anything.
Ah, right.
Definitely wasn't a 79-year-old woman who knew that she was in jiu-jitsu. Totally done it by ninjas. 100% honest truth. I said you could say hello to me. When?
I don't know. Hope it's not me.
That's odd. I'm sure I haven't given permission for anybody to say hello to me without reprisals. You know what? I'll let you off, mate, just this once because you're a thing.
You're a rabbit, aren't
If you
you?
hit me
I am a
again,
rabbit.
I will take your ears and shove them up your eyeballs.
You know there's a lot...
Because I can't afford the truck.
Oh, what is that? A Vuvuzela or something?
Yeah.
What the hell are you looking at, fool?
Boop.
I'll boot him in a minute.
What's your hand, mate? What's your hand? It's broken.
Sorry, Max. Can I massage?
No, but I can punch you in the head.
Can I massage? Can I get a Chinese luxury massage?
Only if I can leave you inside.
I can ingest my testicles as well, so you can try that, but...
That's something I might actually pay 50 pence to see. I'm a bird! No, you're green cancer.
That's not me. That's me.
Well, you're still a green cancer. Inside, green. Tumors, green. Cancer, green. Tumors, green. Will you stop catching incriminating evidence of me being hateful?
Okay.
This guy's stalking me. He's stalking me.
Okay.
Oh, it is it.
It's narrow up ahead, apparently.
Why are we... Why